entonces?
Sí, gracias.
Shall I start then? Okay.
Perfecto, pues encantada a todos. Yo me llamo Blanca
Well,
Fiter
welcome
Martín.
everybody. My name is Blanca Fiter Martin.
Soy terapeuta y trabajo en la consulta de
I am a
Carlos Chiclana
therapist in the Carlos Chiclanas
y estoy
Center,
especializada en
and I am
infanto-juvenil,
specialized
que
in
engloba la etapa
child and teenagers,
infantil,
covering
primaria,
the
secundaria y
age of
bachillerato.
primary, secondary school, and middle school or high school.
Yo voy a dar el tercer webinar
I'm going to
que forma parte de
give
SID, que
this
está financiado
third
por la Unión
webinar
Europea.
by SEED, which is co-funded by the European Union.
Y aquí os presento el índice de
And
más o
here
menos
you
lo que
can
vamos a
see
hablar
the
durante la
index,
sesión
the
de hoy.
table of contents of what we are going to be covering today.
Como veis, vamos a comenzar hablando de
As you can
sexualidad
see,
de
we
manera
will start
bastante
speaking
resumida,
about
porque ya sé
sexuality in a very summarized way
que lo
because
hicieron mis compañeros
I
en
know
los
that you
webinars
already
anteriores.
covered this in the previous webinars.
Luego vamos a hablar de
And
diversos
then we
miedos,
will be speaking
sobre todo
about different fears,
dentro del ámbito de la familia y los docentes.
and then the family and the teachers.
Luego también vamos a hablar de los estilos de
We
comunicación
will
que
also
se
be talking
recomiendan
about communication
dentro de
styles
la
that are
etapa de la
recommended
psicología para poder abordar estos
in
temas.
psychology terms to tackle these kind of topics.
Para continuar, he añadido una serie
And
de
then
dinámicas que
I
creo que
have
pueden
added
ayudar
a series of
tanto a
activities that
familias
I
como a
believe
profesores
could be
para abordar
useful
este
for
tema entre los niños de
parents
6
as
a
well
9
as for
años.
teachers, for children who are between 6 and 9 years old.
Y luego, por último, vamos a hablar de los
And
límites de
finally,
la
we will
sexualidad
be
que
speaking
engloban
about the
todo el tema de
limits of
prevención y
sexuality,
detección
covering
del abuso
everything that
sexual
has to do
infantil.
with prevention and detection of child sexual abuse.
Comenzamos entonces.
We are going to start then.
La primera pregunta de este webinar
The
es:
first question of this webinar
¿cuáles
is
son
the
los
following.
fundamentos de la
What
educación
are
sexual?
the
Es
fundamentals
decir,
of sex
¿por qué es
education?
importante
That is,
abordar
why
este tema
is it important
independientemente del país y la
to
cultura en la que nos
address this
encontremos?
topic regardless of the country or the culture that we are in?
Lo primero, porque
Well,
es muy
first of all,
importante para
because
los
it is
niños
very
conocer
important
y
for
comprender
children
el
to
propio
know
cuerpo.
and to understand their
Lo
own
segundo,
body.
porque a
Second,
raíz de este
it is because,
conocimiento será
thanks to
muchísimo
this
más
knowledge,
sencillo fomentar
it
el
will be
establecimiento
much
de
easier
relaciones
to
sanas,
encourage
basadas en el
healthy
respeto, en el
relationships
consentimiento
based on
y en
respect,
cosas
on
de las que vamos a hablar
consent,
a continuación.
and things that we will be speaking about now.
Para continuar también, que está
To
relacionado con el
continue,
tema del abuso
this is
sexual,
also
para
related
reducir
to
conductas de
sexual
riesgo
abuse, to reduce
y
risk
para prevenir
behaviors,
problemas de la salud
and to
relacionados con
prevent
este ámbito.
health problems related to this topic.
Para seguir, también para promover valores de respeto,
It is also
responsabilidad y
important to
autonomía.
promote values of respect, responsibility, and
Y por
autonomy.
último, para ser
And
conscientes de
finally,
las consecuencias
in order
que
to
cada
be
cosa
aware of
tiene
the
dentro de esta
consequences
esfera
of
y
their
así poder cada uno
actions
de forma
in
individual
this sphere,
asumir la
and
propia
so be
responsabilidad.
able to assume your own responsibility.
Vamos a comenzar hablando de las áreas de la
Let us
educación
start
sexual.
speaking about
¿Por dónde
areas of
podemos
sexual
abordar este tema?
education or sex
Hay dos
education.
formas tal y
How
como
can
se
we
indica en la
start?
presentación.
Well, there are
Desde
two
una
types of
educación
approaches.
formal,
First, we have
que se
formal
aborda principalmente
education.
desde el ámbito de
This
la
is
escuela,
mainly
es decir,
taught at school.
profesores,
That is, teachers,
independientemente de que sea un colegio privado,
regardless of the
concertado
fact that it
o
is a
público, que es como
private
tenemos
or
la
a
educación en
public
España,
school.
se organizan una serie de cosas. Entonces,
These,
cada colegio
there are
tiene
a series of
un ámbito
courses that are
dedicado a
organized,
la
so every
formación,
school has
donde
a
pueden
field
incluir
for
formación de
sex
sexualidad.
education where they can include sexuality topics.
Y luego, por otro lado, tenemos la parte de
And then
educación
we have
no
the
formal,
informal
que
education,
está
non-formal
basada
education.
en la
This
familia,
is based
cultura,
on the
las
family,
experiencias de
on the
cada uno,
culture,
el
on your own
ambiente
experiences,
y muy importante,
your
sobre todo ahora,
environment,
con cómo está
and
todo el
very
tema de las redes
important,
sociales,
and
cómo
even more so
y qué te dicen
nowadays,
desde TikTok, qué te
social
dicen desde
media, what
Facebook,
people at TikTok may say, what people at
qué
other social
creencias
media may say, what
se
kind of
expresan desde
information, what kind of
Instagram.
beliefs are expressed, for example, at Instagram.
Ambas tipos de educación, tanto la
And
formal como
both
la informal,
types of
son igual de
education, formal
importantes.
and
En
non-formal,
función
are
de cada
equally
alumno,
important.
tendremos que ver
And based
cuál es
on
más significativa y cuál es
every
menos.
student, we
Es
will
decir,
need to see which of
por
them
ejemplo,
is more significant.
Si
That
tenemos
is,
un
for example,
paciente en
if we
donde
have a
los
patient
padres les cuesta
where we
muchísimo
can
hablar de
see that
sexualidad
parents find it
porque es
really
un tema
hard to
tabú,
speak about
pues a lo mejor
sexuality
tenemos
because
que
for them
intentar
it's a
hacer
taboo,
terapia con ellos
maybe
para
we
poder
will need
abordar
to
este tema
have
de
a
forma
therapy
sana
with them to
y
tackle these
mientras que
topics
se
on a
vayan
healthy
ocupando, por
manner.
ejemplo, los profesores.
And
O de
meanwhile,
forma
teachers
inversa,
can also take
yo,
over, or vice
por lo
versa.
menos en terapia y cuando voy
At
a
least
dar
in my
sesiones a colegios,
therapy
yo
or
les
when
suelo decir que
I
el colegio
teach
tiene
at
unos
schools, I
límites, es
usually
decir,
tell them that
el
schools
colegio
have
puede
some
enseñar
limits.
dinámicas, como luego
Schools can
veremos,
teach
como
activities,
por
dynamics,
ejemplo
as we will
las
see
partes del
later on,
cuerpo, el
as
tema del
the parts of the
consentimiento,
body,
hasta dónde llega,
consent,
hasta dónde llego yo, hasta
the
dónde llega el
limits,
otro.
what is my limit of consent, the other's
Pero luego
consent.
tendrán que ser los
But
padres y la propia
then it
familia
is the
los que tendrán
parents
que
and
rematar
the
ciertas
family,
ideas y
the
añadir
ones who will need
pues
to
esos matices que la
consolidate
escuela
certain
no está
ideas
encargada
and
de dar.
add some nuances
Por ejemplo,
that the
en
school
el
may not
colegio te
provide.
han
For
contado
example, at
las
school you
partes del
have been
cuerpo,
told about the
pero yo
parts
lo voy
of
a
the body,
complementar con un libro.
but I am going to complement this
O lo
with a
voy a
book,
complementar con un cuento.
or I will
O
complement
lo voy
this
a
with a
complementar con
story,
una charla basada en
or
un vídeo
with
que
a
yo vi
talk
cuando era
based
pequeño
on
y
a
que me
video
ayudó
that I
dentro de mi
watched when I
entorno
was
familiar.
a child and which helped me when I was a child.
Para continuar, he puesto una diapositiva que es
To
bastante
continue,
común,
you
sobre
have
todo en este
a
tema,
slide that
que
is
son los
very
miedos.
common
Hablar
in
sobre
this
sexualidad no
area,
es
which
una
is
práctica
fears.
habitual,
Talking
es
about
decir, a día de
sexuality
hoy cada
is
vez
not
se
very
ve
common.
que la gente lo va
Well,
abordando
nowadays
más,
we see that
pero
people
hace
do
años era un tema
speak about
tabú
this,
que ha
but some
costado
years
que se
ago
vaya
it
abriendo a
was
lo
a
largo del
taboo,
tiempo.
and we still find it
Este
hard
tema
to
suele
be
generar
an open
malestar,
topic. It usually
resistencias,
generates
miedos,
discomfort,
porque por falta de
resistance,
costumbre y
and
por ser un tema
fear
delicado.
because of lack of habit and because it is a
Yo
delicate
también lo que me
subject.
encuentro muchas veces en terapia
What I
son
sometimes find in
niños,
my therapy
adolescentes o
is
niños en primaria con ganas de
teenagers,
abordar el tema,
children
pero con
who
una
would like to
familia
speak about this
que
topic,
genera una
but who
ambivalencia con
have
respecto a
a
esto y que a lo
family
mejor no quiere
that
por las creencias
generate
culturales que
some
tiene o por la
resistance
tradición
because of
familiar
their
que han ido
cultural
arrastrando, o a
background,
la inversa,
traditions,
colegios
etc., or the
que
other way
nos llaman
around.
muchísimo
Schools
para
that are
dar
phoning us
formación de afectividad y de
to
la
ask us
sexualidad,
to
pero
bring
que en
some
contraposición tienen unos padres que no están de acuerdo
courses
con esto,
on
entonces lo tapan
effectiveness, and some
bastante
parents
y a
do
lo
not
mejor no
agree
firman
on
el
this,
consentimiento
and they do
para que
not
sus
sign
hijos
up the
vayan a estas
consent so
charlas,
that their
y
children
entonces ahí
attend these
tenemos
kind of
todavía un poco
meetings.
de discordancia.
So we can still see there it is a bit troublesome in some cases.
Vamos a empezar comenzando hablando de la
We're going
familia.
to start speaking
Como he
about the
comentado, vamos a
family.
hablar tanto de los
As I said
profesores
before,
como
we
de la
will be speaking
familia.
about the teachers
Pero
as
como
well
la
as the
familia es el
family.
núcleo donde se
But the
desenvuelven los
teacher,
niños, sobre todo
the
los que
family
vamos a hablar, que
is
son de 9 años,
the
pues vamos a
core
empezar hablando con
where
ellos
these
porque
kind of
es
children, 6 to
muy
9, are
importante.
behaving, are moving around. It is very important.
Lo primero, ¿cómo influye
First
la
of all,
familia en la
how
educación
does the
sexual de
family
cada uno de estos
influence
niños?
on sex education of their children?
Lo primero, una familia afectuosa y
First of
solidaria
all, an
permite a sus
effective
miembros tener una autoestima
and
sexual sana. Es
robust,
decir,
sound family
una
allows
familia
its members
que
to have
no
a healthy
tiene
sexual
miedo
self-esteem.
a
That is,
expresar
a family
la
that is not
sexualidad, el
fearful of
cariño, el
expressing
afecto, un
sexuality,
gesto, una mirada,
affection,
una sonrisa entre la pareja,
love,
es decir,
a
del padre a la
smile,
madre,
a touch, a gesture
tendrá
from
muchísimas
father
más
to mother,
probabilidades
or vice
de
versa,
ver
will
cómo sus hijos
be much
desarrollan
more
una
likely
sexualidad
to
sana de
see
cara al otro.
how their children have a healthy relation.
Otra cosa importante, un diálogo
Another
abierto
important
y
topic is
seguro,
an open and safe dialogue.
que es lo que nosotros estábamos comentando justo
This
antes.
is what we were
Cada
mentioning
vez
before.
tenemos la suerte de que por lo menos en
We
España
are
hay más
lucky
padres
that
concienciados con este
at
tema,
least in Spain,
que en vez de
parents are
traer
more
a
and
su
more
hijo a
aware of
terapia,
this
son
topic, and
ellos
instead
los que
of bringing
vienen a
their
terapia
children to
solicitando
therapy,
pautas parentales.
they are the
Es
ones
decir,
coming to
en vez de
therapy
traer a mi
asking
hijo a
for a
terapia
guideline.
y que le
Instead of
expliques
bringing
tú
my child to the therapy
cómo
and
abordar una
the
sexualidad
psychologist
sana,
will
voy a ir
explain
yo
how
con
to
mi
tackle a
mujer, con mi
healthy
marido
sexual life,
o con la
I
persona con la
will
que
go
esté,
with my husband or
tú
my
me
wife,
formas y ya una
and
vez tú
so
me
that
formas,
you can
yo lo
train
ubico
me,
dentro
and
de mi
then I
tradición
bring
familiar
this
y se lo
into
explico a mis
my
hijos.
family tradition and explain this to my children.
Yo en terapia lo que hago muchas veces, que luego
In
en
the
material de
therapy,
apoyo
what I
comentaré
usually
algunas
do,
cosas,
and I have
es
some support activities that I will show you
recomendar
later,
algunos vídeos
is
para que los
recommending
padres
some
los
videos
pongan
so that
en sus
parents
casas y
can
aprovechando
watch
el contenido
them
de los
at
vídeos,
home, and
aborden a
using the
partir de ahí
content of
temas
these
relacionados con la
videos,
educación
they
sexual.
will start opening up a dialogue
Tema
about
de los
sex
límites,
education.
tema de los
For
nombres,
example,
cómo
limits,
llamo a los
names.
órganos
How do
sexuales,
I
cómo los
call
están llamando en tu
sexual
cole.
organs? How
¿Estás
are
de
they
acuerdo en
called
llamarlos
at
como los
school?
llama tu
Do
profesor
I
o
agree
no? ¿Qué
in
nombre
how your
quiero
teacher
yo? Que
gives
eso lo vamos a abordar
this
porque yo
name?
sí que estoy de acuerdo de 6 a 9 años en llamarlos
From 6 to 9,
con el
I
nombre que
agree
corresponde.
to use the proper name for these organs.
Seguimos con el tema de los valores y
We
las
continue
creencias.
with values and
Lógicamente, cada
beliefs.
familia
Of
transmite
course,
unas
every
normas,
family
ya sea religiosas, culturales,
conveys
morales,
cultural,
sobre lo que
religious,
considera
or
apropiado en
moral
cada
norms
ámbito.
about what they consider
Estas normas
appropriate in
suelen
every
venir
matter.
influenciadas
These
a nivel transgeneracional.
norms are
Es decir,
usually influenced
si mi abuela
after
piensa algo de la
generations. That is,
sexualidad,
if my grandmother
a no ser que yo
has
haya
a
hecho
belief
un
about
proceso
sexuality,
personal para
unless
cambiar
I
esa
have had a
creencia,
personal process
es
to
muy probable
change
que yo
that
luego se
belief,
la vuelva
it
a
is very
transmitir
likely that I
de la
also
misma forma a mis hijos.
convey it the same way to my children.
Por eso es muy importante como padre
This is why it is
hacer
so
ese
important
proceso
as
de
parents to carry out this
qué
process
piensan mis padres sobre este
of
tema,
what did my parents think about this topic,
qué pienso yo a raíz de
what do
esto
I think about it,
y qué le quiero transmitir a mis
and what do I
hijos,
want to convey to my children about it,
para que entendáis un poco la cadena.
just for you to understand the chain.
Y por último, el papel de los padres y los
And
cuidadores.
finally, we have the
Cuidadores, aquí
role
me
of
refiero
parents and caregivers. What do I mean with
principalmente.
caregivers? This is mainly teachers in this context.
Aquí yo sobre todo lo que quería transmitiros es más
What I wanted
la
to say
enseñanza
here
en
is
base al ejemplo.
that there's a teaching based
Es
on the
decir,
example.
Te voy a enseñar de 6 a 9 años
I
que
am
esto ya
going
se
to
puede
teach
hacer,
you, if you are
la
6 to
intimidad de
9,
tu cuerpo, pues la
the
importancia de la
intimacy,
ropa
the
interior,
privacy of
por qué
your
existe,
body.
cuando te estés
Why
duchando,
do we
quién entra, quién
have
no entra, por qué es
underwear when you're
importante
having
que
a
alguien llame a
shower,
la
who is
puerta y tú
coming
digas,
in or
oye,
not?
tal,
Why is it
no
important
entres, o
to
oye,
knock on the
es mi
door
madre,
and
pues
you can
mamá
say,
entra
please
porque
do
necesito
not
que me
come
ayudes
in,
con
or
una
if it's
cosa?
my mother,
Pues esto
please
también
come
es muy
in, I
importante que
need
los
your
padres
help.
lo acompañen desde
This
el
is
ejemplo.
important that parents
Es decir, yo me
show
ducho,
with their
y cierro la
example. That is,
puerta,
I can
yo me
have a
visto
shower and
en un
close the
entorno
door.
íntimo,
I get dressed in an
yo me
intimate
visto en mi cuarto de mi
environment.
baño, pero no voy al
I
salón a vestirme.
get dressed in my bathroom or my
Esta
bedroom,
serie
but
de
not in
cosas.
the living room. These kind of things.
Continuamos con el rol
We
de los
continue
profesores
with the
en el tema
role
de la
of
educación
teachers
sexual.
in sex education.
¿Cómo influyen los profesores en este
How do
tema?
they influence this topic?
Igual que he dicho que la familia es
Well,
el
I
núcleo
said
más
that the
importante
family
para
is
transmitir
the
esta
core, the
educación,
most important
los
core
profesores
to convey this kind
son
of
los
education.
facilitadores de ese
Teachers are the
aprendizaje.
facilitators of these learnings.
Es decir, como padres,
This means
yo te
we as
transmito estos
parents
valores, pero luego voy a
convey
llevar a mi
some
hijo
values,
a un
but then
colegio
I
en
will
donde, en
bring my
teoría, los valores
children
sean
to a
similares,
school
para
where the
asegurarme de
values
que lo
are
que yo enseño en
similar
casa
to make sure
esté
that what
acorde
I
con
am
lo que
teaching
van a
at
enseñar
home
los
goes
profesores.
in line with what the
¿Vale?
teachers are teaching there, right?
Lo siguiente que he puesto, formación integral del docente.
Next is comprehensive teacher training.
¿A qué me refiero a esto? Pues
What do I
igual
mean
que
with
en este
this?
caso la Unión Europea ha pedido
In the European Union,
formación para profesores y padres,
they have
aquí hay un
asked
montón de
for
colegios que
parent and
contratan a
teacher
psicólogos
training, and
para
here there
formar
are
a
many
padres y a
schools
profesores,
hiring
únicamente a padres o
psychologists
únicamente a
to
profesores.
train either parents or teachers.
Por eso es muy importante la formación del
This is
docente.
why it
Es
is so
decir,
important to have
yo
a
me veo
well-trained
capacitado
teacher.
para abordar
Do I
temas
see
que se salen
myself
dentro, que se
able
salen fuera,
to
perdona,
cover
del
these
ámbito
kind of
académico?
topics that
Es
fall
decir,
out of
soy
the
profe de
academia,
matemáticas, pero a lo
out
mejor en
of
tutoría
my,
me
for
veo capaz
example,
de abordar estos
mathematics
temas.
course?
Si es que sí,
If
perfecto. Y
that
si
is
es
the
que
case,
no,
it's
a lo
perfect.
mejor
But if you don't
tendremos
feel
que intentar formarnos dentro de
capable of
estos
doing it,
aspectos.
you may need to try and get proper training for this.
Continuamos con prevención y valores, que es de lo
We
que vamos a
continue
hablar un
with
poco a
prevention
continuación,
and
y lo que
values,
sé
which
que
is
os
what
han
we are
estado
going to
contando por
be
rangos de edad en
mentioning
los otros webinars.
by ranges
Lo
of
más
age.
importante de cara a los
First
profesores
thing
es detectar
for
lo que se llaman
teachers
señales
is
de
to
alarma.
identify
Es decir, que se
early
sale dentro de un comportamiento
signs,
sexual normativo.
something that is out of a normal sexual
¿Qué me
behavior.
tiene que hacer
What
descolgar el
should
teléfono y
ring
llamar
the
a los
alarm,
padres, o
take the
recomendar
phone
a
and
los
phone
padres
the
un
parents,
profesional,
or recommend the
un
parents to take this
psicólogo,
child to
hablar
a
a lo mejor con otra
psychologist,
profesora,
or maybe
o colgar
speak
y
to a
todo al
different
colegio y decirle,
teacher,
hay cosas que
or
no me
with a
están cuadrando,
coordinator at
dime tú si
school,
forman
because
parte
there
de
may
la
be
edad
things that
evolutiva
are not
concreta.
fitting into what you think is normal.
Y de esta forma, lo que yo he visto
And then this way, what I see is that we can
muchísima
prevent
patología,
many pathologies
anticipándonos. Y por último, impacto positivo a
by
largo plazo.
anticipating. And finally, we have the long-term positive impact.
Lo que significa es que cuando juntamos lo que hemos hablado de la educación
When
formal y
we
la educación
join
informal,
formal education
padres
and
y
non-formal
colegios,
education from
lo que se suele ver
parents
es que
and
hay un
school,
pronóstico a
we
largo
usually
plazo. Es
see
decir,
there
lo que
is
yo le
a
enseño a mi hijo con
long-term
8
impact. That
años,
is what I'm
es
teaching
muy
my
probable
child
que luego
who is
él lo
8.
aplique a su
It is
relación
very
con, a
likely
lo
that
mejor, 20
he or
años.
she will
No
apply
se le
this
olvida.
into his or her
Son valores
relation
que ellos
when they are
van
20. These
incorporizando,
are
van interiorizando,
some
y que luego en
values that
sus
will not
prácticas
be
sexuales
forgotten. They will be
salen a la luz. Por
assimilated,
eso
and then
tan
when they have
importante
sexual
hablarlo
practices,
antes, porque cuando
they
ya
come
llegan
to
con 20
light.
años y la
So it is
información,
very important to speak
se meten en
about
prácticas
these
de
topics
pornografía,
as
masturbación
early as
sexual
possible, because
compulsiva,
otherwise they
prácticas que son mucho más
resort
complicadas de
to
abordar.
pornography,
En el presente,
impulsive
que
masturbation, and these are much more
ha pasado.
difficult to tackle, to address when we get there too late.
¿Cómo podemos hablar de sexualidad?
How can we
Hablo
speak
tanto en
about
el ámbito familiar
sexuality?
como
This
en
is
el ámbito de
for
los
families
profesores.
at home as well as for teachers at school.
Lo primero, escucha activa. ¿A qué me refiero con
First,
esto?
active listening. What do I mean with this?
Muchísimas veces tenemos un montón de ganas de voy a
Sometimes
enseñarle todo a mi
we
hijo. Quiero enseñárselo todo.
feel
ya.
like we want to teach
Pues a lo
our
mejor lo
children
más importante primero es
everything.
escuchar,
Well,
¿no?
sometimes
Es decir,
it is even
la
more important
sexualidad
to
es un
listen to
cajón
them
enorme,
because
pero
sexuality
voy a
is
preguntarte
something
a ti,
huge.
¿qué es lo que más te urge?
But
¿O qué
I
es lo que
can
más te
ask you
importa?
what
¿O qué
is
es lo que más
more
dudas tienes?
important for
Porque
you,
podemos
or
hablar
what does
pornografía,
matter for you most,
masturbación,
because we can speak about
el tema de los órganos
pornography,
sexuales,
masturbation,
nombres del cuerpo.
sexual organs,
Podemos hablar de
names
muchísimas
of
cosas,
parts of the
pero
body. We can
primero
speak
voy a ver
about
en qué
so many
punto estás
things,
a
but
nivel
first
madurativo,
let's see at what point you
a qué
are,
nivel está tu clase,
how
porque yo
mature you
tengo
are,
niños de
at what
6
level
años
is
que no
your
tienen nada que ver unos
classmates,
con
are
otros.
your
Unos
classmates.
saben
Because
muchísimo y
some
otros saben muy
children,
pocos.
even
¿Por
if
qué?
they
Porque
are
tienen
all
rasgos de
6,
personalidad más
some of them know a
infantiles,
lot and some
porque tienen
others do
hermanos
not.
pequeños y entonces en su casa se hablan
They
como de cosas más infantiles,
may be more or less
porque son menos
mature, they may
maduros.
have older or younger brothers and
Entonces, yo
sisters.
recomiendo lo primero,
So what
preguntar.
I recommend
Preguntar
is to
a los
first
profes, oye,
ask the
¿ante qué nos
teachers,
podemos anticipar?
what can we
Preguntar al
anticipate?
resto de padres de grupos
We
de
can
amigos,
ask the
¿tú de
rest
qué
of
estás hablando
parents.
con tu hijo? ¿Qué
What
tipo
do
de
you
pelis
speak
estás
with your
viendo?
children about?
A
What
raíz
kind
de
of
esas
films do
pelis,
you watch?
¿qué temas
And
de
from these
conversación
films,
abordas? Porque a lo
what
mejor
type of
un niño de
conversations
6
do
años
you
de hablar de
have?
pornografía
Because maybe
todavía
a
no,
6-year-old
pero de los órganos
is too
sexuales y
young
del
to
tema
speak
de la
about
reproducción,
pornography, but
con un
maybe
lenguaje
reproduction
sencillo,
or
claro que
sexual
sí.
organs. Of course you can.
Lo siguiente, ser
The next
directo y
would be
honesto,
to
pero
be
siempre
direct
adaptándolo a su
and
lenguaje.
honest,
No
but
es lo
always
mismo un niño de
adapting
6
to their
que un niño de
language.
9.
A
Un
6-year-old
niño
is
de
not the
9
same as a
habrá
9-year-old.
escuchado
A
muy
9-year-old has probably
probablemente, por lo menos en
heard,
España,
very likely, at least in
palabras
Spain,
tipo
words
pene,
such as
vagina, y a lo
penis,
mejor un niño de 6
vagina,
años todavía
and
al
maybe a
cole no lo ha
6-year-old
incorporado.
has
Tú
not
puedes
heard about
hacerlo
it
de otra
yet,
forma,
and you can
desde
do
el
it
cariño,
on a
desde el
different
respeto.
manner, from your affection, from respect.
Lo siguiente que he puesto es mantener la
The
calma y
next one
ser
you can see
paciente.
is
Esto
to be
porque lo digo.
patient and stay calm.
Porque yo
Why do
tengo
I say
padres
this?
de
Because I
pacientes de
have
9
some
años que ya
parents
me vienen preguntando por
of
información para ellos
9-year-olds who are
contar el tema de la
already
reproducción, por
asking
ejemplo, que ya con 9 años
about
se empieza a
information
contar.
to
Pero los niños
explain
no
reproduction, but
están
the
abiertos
children
a. ¿Por qué?
are
Por
not
vergüenza,
open to it
por
because
típicos
they feel
comentarios de, ay,
ashamed,
no, mamá, tú no me
because
hables
of
de esto.
comments
Prefiero hablarlo
such
con mis
as,
amigos.
well, I prefer to speak about this with
Porque
my
es una
friends,
familia
for
cerrada,
example.
entonces de repente
Or maybe
dicen,
it's
no
a
entiendo,
close
nunca has hablado de esto y de
family.
repente tú me lo sacas ahora. Entonces hay que ser paciente con este tema.
And so we need to be patient with this topic.
Lo siguiente que he puesto, dar ejemplos.
The next
y
thing
contar
you can see
anécdotas,
is give
siempre dentro de
examples
unos
and
límites.
tell
A lo que me refiero
anecdotes,
con
of
ejemplos
course,
es
always with a limit.
dar cuentos
What I
que
refer
tengan
is we can
imágenes que
use
vayan
stories,
acompañadas
having
de
images, some
alguna
illustrations
redacción donde lo puedan
that are accompanied by some
podáis poner
text,
ejemplos de la vida real. Es
so you
decir,
can give real-life examples.
te voy a explicar la reproducción.
For example, I'm going
para
to
que veas cómo
explain
nació tu hermanito.
reproduction so that you can
Ubicar
see
que es
how
tu
your
hermanito,
brother was born.
y
Then
no de
they
esta forma, pero no de
identified that
forma
their
abstracta.
brother came up this way, but not in an abstract manner.
Da el espacio para procesar.
Then give it space to process. This is not just on Monday we're going to be speaking about sexual organs, and then on Tuesday I'm going to make you a test and see if you learned them all. No, I'm speaking about it, and then in confidence I may take on this topic again. If we are driving in a car, I may speak about this topic again some days after. Or if we are watching a film and there's an ad related to sexuality, I may ask about it again. But I am not going to your bedroom on an invasive manner, opening the door and saying, did you understand? Do you have doubts?
Mantén el diálogo y preguntas abiertas.
Keep the dialogue and questions open. Well, keep the dialogue means I am open for you to ask any questions you may like without fearing the question.
Por ejemplo, en España, lo que yo veo es que los
In
niños
Spain, what I see is that children learn a lot at school, and they learn like some words, penis and pornography, but they do not associate both terms. They know that pornography has to do with negative sexual connotations. So what I mean with open dialogue is you can ask me about any word you've heard about, and don't worry, because I will try and explain the best way possible.
Empatiza y valida.
Empathize and validate. Okay? And then provide reliable information and seek answers with them. This is what I already told you. There are some children that are cleverer than others. And some just ask, feel curious and ask, why, where do you ask this? And I always tell them, I will bring some materials so that you can see where I get this information. This is all adapted to their age, of course, but I can tell them, look, this is the information I have, I read it on this book, and so on and so forth. And finally, pick the right time, but don't wait for the perfect conversation. This is something I see with parents. It's like, no, I didn't deal with this topic until my son was 15, because I had not found the moment. Of course, the perfect moment will never come. It's ideal that you just sit on the sofa and then your child asks about a word that he's heard at school. No, that's not the usual case. Usually they speak about it with their friends and not to you directly. This is why you need to find the right moment and plant the seeds. Story, a book, a nice series we can watch, or we can ask an expert or a teacher, what kind of things can I ask, etc. Now, very briefly, in terms of how to speak to our children, there are 4 communication styles. The first is passive, which is based on I prioritize my opinion to yours. That is, I think that sex is wrong because of A, B, and C, and I'm not going to accept any other opinion apart from this one. Then we have the aggressive style, which is basically, I do not care about what you think or what your teacher has told you or the reasoning behind, because this is my beliefs and this is what we do at home. Then we have passive-aggressive, which is like, this is my opinion, but I am not going to listen to your opinion because I'm not interested in it. And then we have the correct or appropriate style, which is the assertive style. That is, look, my daughter, I would like to speak to you about this topic. I'm going to explain this to you. I'm going to bring examples. I'm going to coordinate with your teacher so that if you ask them they will have the same approach, but I will also give you time so that you can tell me whether you agree or not. Because maybe you do not agree with this, and even if I do not share your opinion, I will deal with it with respect.
Entonces, como por ejemplo, que yo lo hago mucho la similitud, el tema del móvil.
The similarity with the mobile phone. Here in Spain, there's a huge discussion about at what age should we give mobile phones to children. I always say that parents need to have a clear meeting, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 18, but the children should also have a say and should also have a voice. Mom, I would like to have the mobile phone on Fridays if I go to the cinema, and then parents had not thought about it, but they will decide, okay, it's okay, we can give it to you, but you will return it at 10, for example. So this is the same with these topics.
Para continuar, vamos a hablar de los cambios.
In order to continue, we're going to speak about body and emotional changes that take place from 6 to 10.
Lo primero y más importante.
First,
los 10 años ya.
The 10 years, when they are 10 years, we say in psychology that adolescence starts at 10. Those who are maturing faster, they are already in pre-adolescence.
¿Qué cambios físicos conlleva?
What kind of changes, body changes can we see? In girls, we can see breasts grow, wider hips, and menstruation. When they are 10, 11, 12.
¿Qué pasa con los niños? Pues
what happens with boys? Well, they have a deeper voice and a broader back. And both of them, girls and boys, have a growth spurt. They start to have body hair and some pimples. And then we have emotional changes, appearance of new sensations related to pleasure, emotions, and sexuality. In some webinars, they probably explained that they start to have this pleasure, this physical pleasure feeling. I do not know exactly why am I feeling pleasure when I'm washing my private parts, but there is something that makes me feel pleasure. This is pure biology, but I do not know how to explain if I'm going to repeat this because I know this generates pleasure. So this new sensation of pleasure starts to appear. We also need to take into account that each development is unique. In psychology, there are some normal ranges in evolution, in development, but you may have girls having menstruation with 9 and others with 12. As long as they are in this range, every child will have a different development. This is why it is very important to anticipate and inform with empathy, mainly with girls. I am going to tell you about menstruation. I do not want you to think that you are bleeding and you need to go to hospital. No, we need to anticipate and explain to them, maybe with 8, 9 years old, maybe we can speak about something that happens to girls. I will tell you what happened to me, and then you will know what to do. The first thing you need to do is to tell me, mom, or if I'm not there, maybe a teacher, this kind of things. Same with pimples, same with body hair. I started to have many pimples, and people at school were a bit mean with me. You need to anticipate the kind of things that may happen to them so that they have more capacity of response.
Aquí también lo que he puesto
what you can see here on the screen
is
basically that between 5 and 10, children start to be much more curious with their genitals. This is something you can see in the shower. For example, I have some parents that bring children to my therapy and say they are touching themselves, touching inside the trousers, or teachers that also speak about it. Like I have a 6-year-old student and he spends 1 hour in the bathroom and always with the hands in the underpants. Well, they are discovering their body, and it's important that we accompany them with reliable information. I am going to help you manage this topic with information. Let us give it a name. Let us explain why you feel pleasure when you touch your private parts. I am going to tell you why at school you should not do this, why do we wear underpants. Then you need to have hygiene and wash your hairs after cleaning when you go to the toilet. You cannot have your hands there all the time. And questions usually come up. What do dad and mom do at bed? What is this couple doing in this ad on television? Or if you're pregnant, maybe you're asked, how is this child born? Because maybe the explanations I was given when I was 3 are not valid anymore for me. Then it's also very important to have a sense of privacy over their own bodies. Maybe when they are 5, 2 friends got home and they had a shower all together. But if there's somebody at home, you will need to have your own space. And then when you have a shower, then your friend will come, and so on and so forth until the shower ends. Or maybe you had a shower with your brother, but now I need to separate you because you are at a sexual moment where you start to touch your genitalia, to make questions, and so on. Then it's also very frequent for things I learned at school to see that they are using words and they speak about vagina, for example. This is usually because some other children are more advanced because they heard about these words in other contexts, and then your children copy and replicate. This is why you need to ask, where did you hear that word? Is it the proper place? And then you can complement with some explanations. Say, okay, with 9 years old, I'm going to tell you that a penis is penis and vagina is vagina. And before asking a friend, you can ask me, or you can ask your biology teacher who knows about it.
Continuamos con
we can continue
las señales indicativas de alarma.
With the alarm signs. Alarm signs are usually the signs that would make us phone somebody, ask for help, either the parents, the dean, the director of the school, or a professional. First would be persistent insistence on sexual activity. What does that mean? It means I have an open space to speak about it. I told you about it. We always speak about it whenever you need it. But even so, they are all the time saying penis, or vagina, or I want to touch my part. This is where we may need to raise the alarm and bring my child to a therapist because they are really persistent with this topic. Then we have behaviors that invade their peers, such as sending messages, insisting on inappropriate sexual behaviors. I saw this, for example. See you at the bathroom afterwards, or I love to put my hand into my underpants. These kind of messages are inappropriate, and they are inappropriate, as I said before.
Participar o motivar a sus iguales,
and participating or encouraging their peers for mutual masturbations. Well, I touch myself and I realize this generates pleasure, and then I phone my 3 friends to do this with me.
Then
having or saying persistent ideas or images with sexual content. I see this in my therapy when there's an advertisement and parents are not there.
O alguna serie que de repente aparece en la tele,
maybe a series that you can watch on TV,
algo de contenido sexual, y
and you can see some sexual content, and they keep it on their minds, and they may develop some obsessions, obsessive ideas, compulsive ideas, and they stand up, they wake up in the middle of the night having nightmares, and then they draw a man on top of a woman, or three people in a sexual behavior. So maybe this is an image that is persistent in their mind. They could not process it, and it becomes an obsession for them. Then using adult language to speak about sex. If you, for example, have decided to speak about sexual organs and you teach egg, vagina, penis, and then your child starts to say semen or words that you've never heard before, then I would try and ask for help.
Masturbación frecuente delante de otros niños. Pues lo que hemos comentado.
Frequent masturbation in front of other children. For example, they go to the toilet, they bring down their pants and show their peers things related to their sexual organs.
Involucrar en comportamientos sexuales a niños más pequeños o menos desarrollados.
In sexual behavior, other younger children. Since I know more than you, I take my younger brother into the toilet or into the bathroom, and you get there and you see both of them with their trousers down. Well, this is a sign of alarm. We should evaluate why they have the need to teach this to their younger brother or sister. Then forcing other children to participate in sexual activities.
Simulación de sexo oral o con penetración.
Simulation of oral sex or with penetration during the playground or in the canteen.
Y búsqueda de material pornográfico.
And search of online pornographic material.
Aquí vais a tener que tener mucho cuidado.
Here you will need to be very careful with computers, the navigation history.
Oye, papá, mamá, que ayer me metí en esto.
If they do it, they will probably never tell you as parents.
Lo que suele pasar que yo veo en sesiones.
What usually happens, what I see in therapy, or they tell me, and I of course tell the parents, because this is a risk behavior, or parents tell me there are some searches that they have never had before, and they don't know where they come from and why this happened, and it is usually pornography.
Ahora para continuar, voy a hablar de.
Now to continue, I'm going to speak about two dynamics, two
La primera
activities.
Es en la familia.
The first is in the family. That is, what can we do at the family on a practical manner to try and promote and develop sexual education with our children? There is an activity called My Body, which is recognizing your body parts and recognizing which are private and public parts. For example, private, my breast is private, my hand is public. Or my arm is public. So the activity is, well, you can buy a large piece of paper and use stickers to draw, to use pictures, and you can buy a silhouette of the human body so that the child draws it or you print it. And you can divide a color for private parts, what is under the underwear, what is breast, whatever you consider, and on the other color, you will have public hair, nose, ears, hair.
And
the key message here that we try to convey with this activity that you can change to your liking is your body is yours, and no one should touch your private parts without your permission, without your consent. And this is the start of the prevention of child sexual abuse.
Luego también hay otra actividad que se llama el semáforo del
consentimiento. Then we have the consent traffic light. That's another activity.
Que también sirve para identificar qué les gusta.
This is also used to learn to identify what they like, what they do not like that much, and what they do not want at all.
El verde sería lo que
so here, green would be what I like, yellow would be,
pongo un límite u otro.
I'm not sure. I will have some limits, and red is I don't like it.
Un ejemplo de lo que haría un niño
For example, what a child would do with a healthy sex education. For example, my mother kisses me on the cheek or hugs me when she comes home. That would be green.
El naranja puede ser.
Then yellow could be.
Me gusta que mi padre me haga cosquillas, pero
I like my father to tickle me, but if I do not want it at that point because I feel it's too invasive, it could be yellow.
Y el rojo sería estoy en clase.
And red would be I'm at a classroom, and a classmate proposes me to bring my pants down, and I do it.
Entonces esta actividad puede ser muy buena porque
this activity could be very good because you will get a lot of information, and also it's a learning for you. Imagine that in yellow something that you would say is red. For example, bringing pants down, then you come in. I think we should change this color because do you think bringing your pants down, if you're not at home, is something that could be harmful for you, and then you can explain whatever you consider from your teaching as parents.
La siguiente actividad es
the next activity
de la escuela, pero se pueden hacer
at school, can be done at school, but
la primera
it can be done wherever you decide. One is the box of the curious body.
Básicamente se trata de que de forma anónima,
que this is an anonymous way, because otherwise they feel ashamed. On a blank piece of paper, they should write a question about their body, about the emotions related to sexuality, things they've watched, scenes, and they can note it down.
Y entonces una persona que en teoría sepa más que ellos,
then a person who knows more than them, which is in this case the teacher,
un profesional que vosotros
or maybe a professional trainer that you bring, will answer these questions.
¿Vale? Entonces al final es crear un espacio seguro donde los niños lo hacen de forma anónima. Entonces
the idea is to create a safe space so that they can ask anonymously. So you will be avoiding judgments. You have said this or you have asked this, and you have involved an expert who will answer to all of this. And then it would also be really good to speak with all the parents to get to a consensus.
For example,
the expert will say penis and vagina because we consider that for 9-year-olds this is appropriate. Do you agree? And so parents will anticipate and speak about this at home with their children and see how to do it.
La siguiente es una rueda de emociones.
The next one is a wheel of emotions, to recognize emotions related to the body. So you can prepare a wheel with faces, with some icons, happy, angry, shamed, and every child can pick up a situation that makes them feel with these emotions related with their body or relationships. For example, it makes me happy that my parents kiss me before going to bed. Or it makes me very uncomfortable to go to school at the bus and see two people kissing each other next to me. Then you can evaluate, this is healthy or this is not healthy. Let us address this topic.
Luego también he puesto
then we have also included a support map to prevent sexual abuse. This is an activity where if somebody does something, who is doing something wrong that I do not like, who should I tell? Then we will prepare a scale from 1 to 4. The first person you will tell, who would that be? Then what would the second person you would tell?
Y lo que intento es que sean de diferentes ámbitos.
And my idea is that they should be from different fields, from different spheres. For example, a family member, a person from school, somebody who is external, so that they have differences.
Todos los ámbitos. Lo mismo que hemos dicho, dibujar el cuerpo humano con los nombres correctos,
drawing of the human body with correct names, so that they do not feel confused when they speak about them. And finally,
un role-playing,
a role-playing activity, saying no and asking for help.
Que hemos comentado, tengo un compañero.
I have a classmate who is masturbating and he has not tackled this topic because maybe parents do not know about it. Then I'm going to practice when I'm in front of my classmate. I should tell him or her. If this is something you've never seen in your life, you can role play with different situations that you think they may find. Then you can do this role playing. For example, if I were you, I will answer this way. Or I will take your friend and say, why don't we go to the teacher and tell them about this? Or maybe your parents.
Pero que les podáis dar alternativas de respuesta, porque si no ellos con la edad que tienen...
You can have an alternative answer, because otherwise they do not know what to say. The idea is to give them alternatives.
Ya para seguir, vamos a hablar de los límites de...
Now, to continue, we're going to speak about the limits of sexuality, which are related with child sexual abuse, which unfortunately every year is growing.
Muy importante.
It is very important to have a good prevention because of the rights of children. The limits are very important.
So
because we need to speak about them, about the type of information that they need to keep and what kind of secrets should not be kept. I have some cases of sexual abuse, and the children tell me, and sometimes they tell me that the abuser, the perpetrator, father, grandfather, or uncle, tell them, I am going to make you a present and you will keep this secret. So you need to tell your children that they should never have secrets with you. When they are 15, they may tell us, if they do not want to tell us that they like a girl, it's okay, but not at this age. Also recognizing the different types of caresses or strokes, because your uncle may touch you here, then it's okay. But if it's doing this up your leg, maybe I should tell my child what to do with that.
Luego todo lo que hemos hablado de reconocer las partes del cuerpo.
We spoke about recognizing body parts, adequate self-assessment.
Y luego por último he puesto habilidades de
and then finally,
y estrategias de salida.
Problem-solving skills and expression skills.
Lo que me refiero con esto
and
es algo
exit strategies. What I mean with the exit strategies
es, por ejemplo,
for example,
si a ti te pasa esto, ven a contármelo a mí.
If this happens to you, please come and tell me.
No, si a ti te
it's not like, if this happens to you, this is super wrong. No, we need to tell them what to do. Come to mom, come to dad and tell us, come to your teacher. We should not just tell them, this is super wrong and I am not giving you any solutions.
¿Vale? Aquí igual. Pues un poco más de lo mismo. Es muy importante dar información
similar. It's important to provide information on sexuality, and manifestations, clarify doubts. Some parents come and tell me in therapy, I cannot clarify doubts because I feel so ashamed, so embarrassed.
Claro, por eso es muy importante que,
this is why it is so important that as parents you have this personal journey of, am I ready to speak with my kid about this? If I'm not, I should start the journey or find somebody who should replace me, so to speak, in this sense, because somebody needs to tell them.
Expresar afecto con gestos y actitudes.
And expressing affection with gestures and attitudes.
Revisar las actividades que pueden realizar solos.
Review activities that they can do on their own and those that require guidance and assistance.
Promover relaciones armoniosas en la pareja.
Promote harmonious relationships in the couple. The way you react with your couple will be, to a large extent, an example for your children that will be replicated in the future, just for you to know.
Y por último,
and finally,
vamos a hablar de la prevención del abuso sexual.
We are going to speak about prevention of sexual abuse.
¿Vale? ¿Cómo identificar las señales de alarma en el aula?
How should we identify alarm signs at school?
Vale, lo primero que tenemos que ver son los cambios repentinos.
First, we need to check sudden changes in behavior.
De repente un niño que lleva conmigo 3
Suddenly a child that has been with me 3 years
durante un tiempo prolongado que no ha hecho
and he's doing something that's never done before for a long time.
Problemas en la escuela.
Problems at school.
Empieza a tener problemas con sus compañeros.
This could be problems with our classmates.
Era un niño sociable,
and he's getting very angry. He was very social and now he isn't. He's not invited to birthday parties.
Que lo mismo.
Changes in social interaction. This is similar. Physical signs.
Lo que hemos ido comentando de
I'm in here.
Y veo que tiene pues las zonas íntimas más rojas.
I see he has the private parts red, or some bleeding, some bruises, and then inappropriate sexual knowledge or behavior.
No, mira, profesor.
They may say, teacher, I was on my bed the other day, and we had sex. These are kind of inadequate sexual knowledge.
¿Qué puedo hacer como profesor? Pues lo que podéis hacer y más importante es...
What can you do as a teacher?
Es decir, hay profesores que ya me escriben un correo a la primera de
well, some teachers send me an email right away, but I always tell them.
Lo primero que tienes que hacer es esperar, es decir, no me vale.
The first thing you need to do is to wait. This is, it's not enough to have the child doing something like that one day. It should be repetitive, because otherwise it's not an alarm sign. And we need to give time and ask questions. Maybe you can ask them, what happened in the bathroom? What happened? You need to make sure to maintain a supportive attitude.
Que con esto que has hecho me voy a chivar ya. No, porque entonces es probable que Pepe ya no te vuelva a contar.
You shouldn't tell them, I am going to tell your parent right away. Well, don't do that, because otherwise he will never tell you anything else.
No ignorarlo.
Do not ignore it.
Seguir el protocolo adecuado. Yo os
follow the proper protocol.
En España, que es el que estoy contando,
the one we have in Spain is observing, listening, and then reacting.
Y si no, abordarlo con los padres para que ellos se formen.
Or maybe tackling this with parents so that they can be properly trained and see how to manage it.
Y luego todo lo demás va un poco con las dinámicas que os he explicado y con lo que hemos ido hablando.
And then the rest has to do with the activities I told you about. Educating, teaching, showing them that they're good and bad secrets. They should have total trust with us. And they should be able to speak about anything, and they encourage communication.
Te voy a sacar y no te voy a decir que es horrible lo que has hecho.
I am not going to tell you it is horrible what you've done.
Que va a pensar todo el mundo de ti. No, te voy a sacar y te voy a preguntar.
No, what I will do is I will ask questions and tell you that you can trust me, and if you need any kind of help, here I am.
Y por último, aquí
and finally, here you can find
señales de material de apoyo.
some support material.
Los primeros son cuentos.
The first are stories. Where do we come from?
Es un cuento que ayuda a niños de esta edad.
This is a story that helps children at this age to see where we come from. The colorful monster, about emotions. Don't touch me. It is related to abuse prevention.
Los cuentos para hablar del cuerpo.
Stories to talk about the body.
Y la autoestima.
Self-esteem.
La guía de educación sexual. Esta es
and there's a sex education guide for 6 to 12 years old if you want to tackle pre-adolescence, and this is a guide for parents for primary education. Then there's another sexual education guide, and finally several programs. One is from the Valencian community. Then we have the ESI, Sexual Education Programs, then Save the Children, and Vicky Bernadette, and then Ampara, which is a foundation in Latin America.
Stop It Now es otra campaña que también puedes
Stop It Now is another campaign you can find online.
Y dar una vuelta es una
and Dale una vuelta, give it a turn, is an organized foundation I collaborate with, where you can find articles, reference classes, specific experts in sexuality that can also help you.
Y por mi parte,
and that's it on my side.
¿Alguno tiene alguna pregunta o algo que quiera comentar?
Would anybody like to ask a question or make a comment?
Vale, ¿nadie tiene preguntas?
Okay, I think por el chat, si there are no questions. If you wish, you can also use the chat.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Pues si no tenéis ninguna pregunta.
Okay, if there are no questions. Well, and you have my email address in the presentation. And I will say goodbye, thanking you all. I wish you well.
Hasta luego.